So you're thinking about window replacement in Raleigh. Smart move. But before you make a decision, let me ask you this. Are you sure you're picking the best material? Most people go with vinyl or wood because they seem like the obvious choices. But what if I told you there's a stronger, longer-lasting option that saves you time, money, and maintenance headaches? Because there is, and it's called fiberglass. Why? Raleigh's weather is brutal. Scorching summers, humidity, and storms wreak havoc on weak windows. Wood warps and vinyl cracks, but fiberglass? It handles it all, lasting up to 50 years with zero warping, rotting, or fading. That's up to 20 years longer than vinyl or wood. And the best part? Fiberglass windows are set it and forget it. No constant repainting, no repairs, no nonsense. But here's the catch. Not all installers know fiberglass. It's tougher to work with than vinyl, and if installed wrong, you'll lose all those durability and efficiency benefits. That's why you need a specialist. At Window Depot of Raleigh, we work with only the best materials from brands like Anderson, Pella, and Marvin. And unlike many window contractors, we specialize in fiberglass window installation. That means our experts know exactly how to install fiberglass windows correctly so you can rest easy. No headaches, no hassle. So here's another question. Do you want windows that will last without the upkeep? Call Window Depot of Raleigh today and let's get started.